इसमें आपसे पूछा है draw a ray diagram to show the image formation by compound microscope. So I will try to form the image at the least distance of distinct vision, and then we'll find the expression for the total magnification when the final image is formed at infinity. 2.5 marks का है ये. So सबसे पहले we have the lens that is facing the object is the object lens. It's of small aperture as compared to the eye lens. This is ये हमने बना लिया एक ऑब्जेक्ट लेंस. Let this be the object lens. Okay, O be the optical center. Object is placed. Let this be the object AB. Now, in ray of light which comes parallel to the principal axis, we will take one more ray of light where we will try to intersect them. Okay, let them intersect here. So they will form the image which is real and inverted and magnified. This is the image. We denote it by A dash, A dash, B dash. और ये इमेज जो है इसकी जो फोकल लेंथ है, so this is the object distance u for the, this is the focal length. हम मान लेते हैं ये focal length है. Let this be the focal length. इतनी focal length मान लेते हैं of the objective lens. So this object is formed beyond the twice the focal length, but within the focal length of the eyepiece lens होगा ये. Okay, सब कुछ हो गया. This is objective. Yeah, objective lens. And now we will draw the eyepiece. So eyepiece lens जो है comparatively large aperture का है. This is of large aperture as compared to the objective. Now this image which was formed by the objective will serve as the object, virtual object for the eyepiece. It is formed within the focal length of the eyepiece lens. अब इसमें से जो rays of light जाएंगे इधर, suppose ये rays of light, let's say it goes here. इसको थोड़ा सा portion जो है इसको थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं नीचे वाले को, so that we can reflect the rays of light. Let's bring it closer. Okay, this be a large aperture eyepiece lens. Rays of light ऐसे आएंगे इधर, the both will be reflected from here towards the eyes of the observer. और इनको अगर हम पीछे की तरफ प्रोड्यूस करें, these rays if produced backwards, ये थोड़ी सीधी नहीं है, you can थोड़ा सा जो लेंस है वो भी you can make its curvature more spherical. अब यहाँ पे suppose these rays of light यहाँ पे intersect करती है at this point. are intersecting at this point. Let's say are intersecting at this point either way. So here the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. ये मैंने जो बनाया क्योंकि इसमें ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं था कि रे जो डायग्राम जो बनाना है वो किसके लिए बनाना है, when the image is formed at infinity or at the least distant of distinct. तो ये जो इमेज बनेगी दिस विल बी फॉर्म्ड एज द लीस्ट डिस्टेंट ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट. ये इसको आप थोड़ा सा और स्फेरिकल बना सकते हो. दिस वन try to make it more spherical. Okay, I will leave it as it is. Okay, here is from where the observer is able to see the final image. From here, this is the eyepiece. Now we have to obtain the expression for the total magnification of the microscope when the final image is formed at infinity. तो इसके लिए infinity के लिए condition लगाते हैं. A magnification produced by objective lens is given by, ये आपने यहाँ लिखना है. This is the magnification produced by objective lens. That is what my m naught is equal to h dash by h is equal to रहता है L is the length of the tube upon the focal length of it. Similarly, the magnification produced by the eyepiece lens is given by ME is equal to 1 plus least distance of distant vision divided by FE. So ये है magnification produced by objective, this is magnification produced by eyepiece. हमें चाहिए फाइनल इमेज. अगर फाइनल इमेज इन्फिनिटी पे बनाया है तो ये मैग्निफिकेशन जो है दिस विल बी d by f. If final image is formed at infinity, so this magnification of the eyepiece lens हो जाएगी d by, ये हो जाएगा. टोटल मैग्निफिकेशन अगर हम निकाल लें, टोटल मैग्निफिकेशन आ जाएगा इन दोनों लेंसेज को की मैग्निफिकेशन को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो L by f नॉट इनटू d by f नॉट, ये आपकी टोटल मैग्निफिकेशन. So I will just leave it here. मैं इसको यही छोड़ दूंगा और के लिए लिख देता हूँ, नहीं तो यहाँ कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं वर्स्ट हैंड राइटिंग के. L by f नॉट अपॉन d by f नॉट. Okay, this is the total magnification L by f naught into d by f naught.